Hi, this is silentsolution. Today we are fixed how to Camtasia any video export when the time is a problem. Let's go. First of all, import our media channel like one video. This problem. How to fix this issue? Let's go. First of all, we download the handbagger. Here is Google, and we are installation this. No, we are already in installation this. You can just hamburger in installation. I have installation already. How to installation? You can see my channel video have. Now you open this. Yeah. With video you can open this video. Just where cannot open this video. Where just here is a web, and where is my save this video. This is new video. Here is open, save. Okay, now just start it. Need to complete it. I think it's working. Need to time. Now let's go. Here is import again this video. Our new video has used import now. This is the input is okay. Thanks for watching.